Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Amazing Physics. Friends, when we are looking mathematical multiple operations, we are confusing in the time which operation first we will do. Due to that confusion, this trick will be helpful for us. The trick is BODMAS trick. Then let's get started. BODMAS means B for brackets. This is a round bracket, this is square bracket, this is curly bracket and angle bracket. And what else? Order. It means any order 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 7, root 2, root 5, any order. And D for division, M for multiplication and A for addition, S for subtraction. Then we will solve some examples. In the time you will understand how we will use this BODMAS trick in multiple operations. This rule also helpful to some competitive exams like SSC and some bank exams like that. Let's see some examples. First example is 3 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 4. Normally what we will do, because here three operators are there, plus, divided by and minus. When we do 3 plus 6, that will be 9 divided by 2 minus 4. 2 here divided by is there na. When we are doing 9 divided by 2, this will be 4.5 minus 4. Finally 4.5 minus 4, that will be 0.5. This is the wrong. Due to this one, we have that BODMAS. Therefore, we will solve. See, we know in BODMAS rule, this is the first, then this is the second, this is the third. Therefore, we will do this operation first. 6 divided by 2, that will be 3. Then we will do addition operator. 3 plus 3, that will be 6. Next, finally, we will do subtraction operator. 6 minus 4, this will be 2. 2 is the correct answer. And let's solve one more example. That will be second example. 25 plus 14 divided by, I am using bracket, 5 minus 3. You always solve these like operations using BODMAS rule. First, in BODMAS rule, bracket will become, we solve bracket first. 5 minus 3, that will be 2 divided by as it is, 14 as it is, plus as it is, 25 as it is. Then divided by we will do 14 divided by 2, that will be 7, plus as it is, 25 as it is. Then 25 plus 7, how much? 25 plus 7, that will be 32. This is the answer. Okay, let's solve one more example. One more example is 20 minus 3 minus 7 minus 2 plus 4 minus 3. I will using brackets like this, brackets. This is, we consider this bracket inside, this bracket inside. Bracket is nothing matter. First we will do inside the bracket, then we will solve this bracket, then we will solve this bracket. Let's see example. This one we will solve. 20 minus 3 minus this bracket as it is, minus this bracket also as it is, plus we will solve this one. 4 minus 3, this will be 1. This bracket is gone. This bracket and this bracket. Okay. Then 20 minus 3 minus, then we will solve this bracket. 7 minus 3, bracket is, this is over, this bracket here. Next we will solve 20 minus 3 minus 4. Okay, here all the thing is minus. 20 minus 7 minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. 20 minus 7, that gives how much? 13. This is the answer. Guys, see these examples and you solve this example and send the answers in comment section. I hope all are understand this BODMAS trick. We will meet again in next video. save trees and save the nature. Thank you, thank you, thank you.